Hello students, welcome to this video. In last part, we have already discussed about the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of the male gametes, and we have started the reproductive events here which is occur in the human reproduction. Correct. So in this part of human reproduction, we will study about the oogenesis and the menstrual cycle. ओके आपको लास्ट वीडियो में यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया है कि स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस की प्रोसेस कैसी होती है, करेक्ट, और हाउ देयर इज अ formation of the sperms in the male reproductive system. You already studied how the female reproductive system is there, which type of hormones are involved in the oogenesis. Okay, आपको ये प्राइमरी नॉलेज तो आ गई है कि हाउ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज देयर. इन दिस वीडियो वी विल स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ द oogenesis. What is the oogenesis now? Oogenesis is the process of formation of a mature female gamete, or it is also called as a ova, in the ovary, and that process is called the oogenesis. Correct. Oogenesis is initiated during the embryonic development in the female fetus, and about a couple of million oogonia, or it is also called the gamete mother cells, that are formed in each ovary, and no new oogonia are formed after the birth. So in the process of the oogenesis, the gametes mother cells start the division to enter into the prophase first of the meiotic division and get temporarily arrested at the primary of the primary oocytes. Correct. Here is the diagram of the section of ovary. यहाँ पे diagrammatic section of the ovary describe किया हुआ है, and here is the systematic representation of the oogenesis, that how the oogenesis process is carried out in the ovary. Okay, you can see here about a couple of million oogonia, or the gamete mother cells, are formed in each ovary, and no one oogonia are formed after the birth. Then the oogonia starts dividing and each enter into the prophase first of the meiotic division, and there is the stage, and that stage is called the primary oocytes. ओके, यहाँ से प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो गई है, एंड फर्स्ट प्रोसेस meiotic, आफ्टर द स्टेज ऑफ द meiotic first or the prophase first, there is the primary oocytes is formed. After that, the primary oocytes get surrounded by a layer of a granulosa cells and are called the primary follicles. Here you can see, here is the primary follicle. Correct. After the primary follicles, a large number of these follicles degenerates from birth to the puberty, and only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. Okay, तो आपको पता आ गया होगा कि कितने सारे फॉलिकल्स होते हैं जो एज 50 तक, आफ्टर द जुवेनाइल फेज, जब वो फीमेल फीटस रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज में आ जाएगी, तो अबाउट 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. That means 2 ovaries are there, a pair of ovaries are there. Correct. After that, the primary follicles get surrounded by a more granulosa cells, and a thicker layer, and it is called the secondary follicle. Here it is the secondary follicle. After the secondary follicles is transformed into the tertiary follicle. You can see here, this is the primary follicle, this is the secondary follicle, and this is the tertiary follicle. And the tertiary follicle, which is a characteristics by a fluid filled cavity called the antrum. Okay, I am talking about the tertiary follicle, and that here is the antrum is there in the tertiary follicle. After that, the primary oocytes present in the tertiary follicle that completes the first meiotic division. Now to oocyte retain the bulk of the nutrient rich in the cytoplasm of the primary oocyte. Okay, and then the tertiary follicle changes into the mature follicle, or that mature follicle is also called the Graafian follicle. Okay, what happened after the tertiary follicle, students? The tertiary follicle changes into the mature follicle, that is called mature follicle or the Graafian follicle, and the secondary oocytes form a new members of membrane, that is called the zona pellucida. Okay, so this is about the tertiary follicle, or we are saying here the Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle now ruptures to release the secondary oocytes. Okay, what will the Graafian follicle do? That rupture to release the secondary oocytes. The secondary oocyte is the ovum. Okay, and from the ovary, it is called the ovulation period. Okay, what happened? I am telling you again up to the ovulation process. पहले तो meiosis first होगा, उसमें का prophase first जो यहाँ पे है. After that prophase first, there is a primary oocytes is formed, and that primary oocytes then change into primary follicle. After that, the primary follicle change into the secondary follicle. You can see here, this is the secondary follicle. That secondary follicle change into the tertiary follicle. In the tertiary follicle, antrum is present. And finally, when the meiosis is completed by the primary follicle, that get converted into the mature follicle. Tertiary follicle change into the mature follicle, that is known as the Graafian follicle. Okay, then after the Graafian follicle, there is the Graafian follicle now ruptures to release the secondary oocytes, that is, we are saying here ovum, and this period is called what? Ovulation. But now here corpus luteum is present. Correct. So corpus luteum means what? Here it consists of the follicular cells, that remaining parts of the Graafian follicles, and the fibrin and the blood clots are here in the corpus luteum. So there is a big difference between the Graafian follicle and the corpus luteum. You can see here the diagram of the corpus luteum. Okay, so this all process is called the oogenesis, which is the formation of the female gametophyte in the humans. Here you can see how the systematic representation of the process of the oogenesis is there. Chromosome number per cell is the 46, and then here is the 23, and the 23 pairs of the chromosome is present. Okay, so what happened here? The oogonia is there, that undergo the mitosis differentiation to form the primary oocyte. After the formation of the primary oocyte, what happened? Then there is a first meiotic division completed. before to the ovulation I am telling you. Okay, then there is a secondary oocyte form. After the secondary oocyte we get the tertiary follicle which showing the antrum. Then we get the mature follicle. Correct. After the mature follicle we get the ovum. So ये कब हो जाएगा? फिटल लाइफ में वो प्राइमरी oocyte फॉर्म होगा. बर्थ, चाइल्डहुड, प्यूबर्टी में भी सेकेंडरी सेक्स ऑर्गन फॉर्म होंगे. उसके बाद में व्हेन दैट female fetus enter in the reproductive phase, that time there is a ovulation period start after the menstrual cycle. So this is the first polar body and this is now the second polar body in the adult reproductive life. This all process is known as the oogenesis, and you can see here what I explained, that is here in the form of notes. You can write down as a notes here. So the each primary oocyte surrounded by a layer of a granulosa cells. Then it is called the primary follicle. Then primary follicle gets surrounded by more layers of the granulosa cells, which is called the secondary follicle, that transform into the tertiary follicle that contain the fluid filled cavity, that is called the antrum. And then the tertiary follicle further changes into the mature follicle, which is also called the Graafian follicle, which rupture to release the secondary oocytes, or it is also called the ovum, from the ovary by the process of the ovulation. This is the process of the oogenesis. After the oogenesis, we will talk about now the menstrual cycle. In the first lesson, there was some concepts about menstrual cycle, oosterous cycle. Correct. So menstrual cycle क्या है? Whatever the cyclic changes that occur in the reproductive organs of the female primates. Okay, I am talking primates. Primates means which animals come here, like the monkeys, apes and the human beings, and that all female primates constitute the menstrual cycle. What is the period of the menstrual cycle now? It is repeated at an average interval of about 28 to 29 days, and the beginning of the menstruation at the puberty. Okay, the menstruation cycle consists of the 4 main phases. समझ में आ गया आपको what is the menstrual cycle? Whatever the reproductive cyclic changes are there in the female primates, like the monkeys, apes and the human beings, that constitute the menstrual cycle. It is repeated often average interval of about 28 to 29 days. That means in every month there is a menstrual cycle in the female primates is there. And the beginning of the menstruation at the puberty. The menstruation cycle consists of the 4 phases now. Which 4 phases? First is the menstrual cycle, second is the follicular phase, or it is also called the proliferative phase, third is the ovulatory phase, and fourth one is the secretory phase, which is also called the luteal phase. So we will see one by one. First is the menstrual phase. What is the menstrual phase now? In a 28 days menstrual cycle, the means takes place on a cycle days 3 to 5. Then the production of luteinizing hormone from the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland is reduced. Okay, because luteinizing hormone is secreted by the pituitary gland here. The withdrawal of these hormones that causes the degeneration of the corpus luteum, and therefore the progesterone production is reduced. Then the production of the estrogen is also called production of the estrogen is also reduced in this phase. Okay, estrogen भी reduce हो जाएगा menstrual phase में, and also there is also reduction of the progesterone production. The endometrium of uterus breaks down and menstruation begins. Menstruation cycle तभी आ जाएगी when there is a breakdown of the endometrium. और ये endometrium break कब हो जाएगी? When there is a production of the progesterone hormone is reduced and the estrogen is also reduced in this phase, then there only the endometrium of the uterus breaks down and the menstruation begins. The cells of the endometrium secretions, blood and the unfertilized ovum constitute the menstrual flow. Okay, whatever the flow is there in the menstrual phase, that consists of the endometrium secretion, blood and the unfertilized ovum, because when there is a fertilization fails, that time only menstrual cycle come, and there is the unfertilized ovum that constitute the menstrual flow. This is the first phase of the menstrual cycle, that is the menstrual phase. Now we will shift towards the second phase of the menstrual cycle, which is called the follicular phase. Now what is the follicular phase? The follicular phase, or in this phase, the primary follicle in the ovary grows and becomes fully mature up to the Graafian follicle. Okay, हमने लास्ट वीडियो में ही देखा, whatever the mature follicle is there, that is start with the primary follicle and end in the mature follicle. So this follicular phase is usually includes 6 to 13 or the 14 in a 28 days of cycle. So what happened in this phase? In this phase, the primary follicle in the ovary grows, becomes fully mature as the Graafian follicle, and the endometrium of the uterus is degenerated by the proliferation of its cells. Also, what happened in the follicular phases? These changes are due to the secretion of the luteinizing hormone also and the follicle stimulating hormone also. Okay, where it is from the anterior pituitary and the ovarian hormones like the estrogen and the progesterone. These both hormones are important here. So the follicle stimulating hormone, which is called FSH, secreted by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, that stimulates the ovarian follicle to secrete the estrogen. And estrogen stimulate the proliferation of the endometrium of the uterine wall. And then the endometrium becomes thicker by the rapid cell multiplication, and this is accompanied by an increase in the uterine glands and the blood vessels. This is very important phase for the reproduction from the day 6 to the 13 or 14 in a 28 days of the cycle. Follicular phase के बाद जो phase है, that is the ovulatory phase. What is the ovulatory phase now? Both luteinizing hormone and the follicle stimulating hormone that attain a peak in the middle of the cycle. Okay, now what happened? 28 days की cycle है, 28-29 की, करेक्ट. 2 phases तो हो गए. फर्स्ट फेज का कितना स्पैन है? 1 to 3 और 5. उसके बाद में जो है फॉलिकुलर फेज जो है 6 to 13 और द 14 days in a 28 days of cycle. उसके बाद जो ओव्यूलेटरी फेज है, that attain a middle peak or the peak level in the middle of the cycle, that is about 14th day, and it is also called the LH surge. LH means luteinizing hormone, where the estrogen concentration of in the blood that get increases in this ovulatory phase on the 14th day, and the rapid secretion of the luteinizing hormone that includes the rupturing of the Graafian follicle and thereby the release of the ovum. Okay, that means what happened, this is, ये कितने दिन में फॉर्म हो जाएगा ग्राफियन फॉलिकल, 6 to 14 डेज में ये ग्राफियन फॉलिकल फॉर्म हो जाएगा. उसके बाद में व्हेन देयर इज अ इंक्रीज्ड लेवल ऑफ द ल्यूटिलाइजिंग हार्मोन, देन because of the increase in the luteinizing hormone, this ovarian follicle or the Graafian follicle get rupture for the release of that ovum. Okay, after the releasing of ovum, in fact only the luteinizing hormone cause the ovulation, and this process is called the ovulation, which is carried out in the ovulatory phase. That's why the name given here, the ovulatory phase, because the ovum get ruptured from the Graafian follicle because of the secretion of the luteinizing hormone or the rapid secretion of the luteinizing hormone. After the luteinizing hormone secretion, or the third phase of the ovulatory phase, we will shift towards the secretory phase, which is the fourth phase. It is also called the luteal phase. What happened in this phase now? In this phase, the ruptured follicle is transformed into the corpus luteum. ओके, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, यहाँ तक तो हो गया थर्ड स्टेज विच इज कॉल्ड द ओव्यूलेटरी फेज. अब यहाँ से कौन सा फेज आ गया? हियर इज द secretory phase, where the corpus luteum is formed here. That corpus luteum secretes a large amount of the progesterone, which is essential for maintenance of the endometrium. And what happened during the pregnancy? All events of the menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation. Okay, if after the ovulation or the releasing of the ovum, sperms get or they brought physically ovum and the sperm, that time all the process gets stopped, and for that only during the pregnancy all events of the menstrual cycle stop and there is the no menstruation during the pregnancy. Even in the absence of the fertilization, corpus luteum degenerate, and this causes the disintegration of the endometrium, which is leading to the menstruation. And the menstruation cycle at the age of the 45 to 50 years, it is called the menopause. Okay, क्या हो जाएगा after the 45 and the 50 years? That menstruation stop and this is called the menopause. अब आपने ये 4 phases देख लिए. 4 phases कौन से है? menstruation cycle के first is the menstrual phase, second is the follicular phase, third is the ovulatory phase, and fourth one is the secondary phase or the luteal phase. अब days कौन से आते हैं? I'm telling you again about this menstrual cycle. First menstrual phase जो होता है 1 to 5th days तक होता है, जहाँ पे एंडोमेट्रियम ब्रेक हो जाएगी, menstruation begins हो जाएगा, the cells are broken, then the secretion of the blood is there. after that unfertilized ovum get in the menstrual flow. Okay, progesterone production is also stopped in the menstrual phase. सेकेंड जो फेज है दैट इज द फॉलिकुलर फेज, जो 6 to 13 डेज तक होती है, जहां पे एंडोमेट्रियम फिर से बिल्ड हो जाएंगी, फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन सिक्रीशन फिर से हो जाएगा, एस्ट्रोजन सिक्रीशन आल्सो गेट इंक्रीजेस. देन आता है मिडल फेज दैट इज द ओव्यूलेटरी फेज, जो 14th डे में होता है, जहां पे ल्यूटिलाइजिंग हार्मोन एंड द फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग hormone that attain a peak level and the concentration of the estrogen in the blood is also high and reaches its peak, where the Graafian follicle ruptures and release ovum. Then there is a secondary phase which is also called the luteal phase, जो 15 to 28 days तक होता है, जहाँ पे corpus luteum form होगा and there is a secretes the progesterone. यहाँ पे again endometrium thick हो जाएगी and the uterine glands becomes the secretory. Okay, this is about the menstrual cycle. Now the big question is about how there is a hormonal control of the MC or the menstrual cycle. First जो है follicle stimulating hormone that stimulates the ovarian follicles to produce the estrogen. Then the luteinizing hormone stimulate the corpus luteum to secrete the progesterone. Again the menstrual phase is caused by the increased production of the estrogen. And who is responsible for the ovulation or the rupture of the Graafian follicle? That is the luteinizing hormone that causes the ovulation period. In the proliferative phase, it's caused by the increased production of the estrogen. And what happened in last secretory phase? That is caused by the increased production of the again progesterone. So this is the hormonal control during the menstrual cycle. Okay, so this is about the oogenesis process and about the menstrual cycle. Okay, in the next part we will study the next event आफ्टर द गैमेटोजेनेसिस. ये जो है गैमेटोजेनेसिस में हमने क्या क्या देखा? फर्स्ट जो था spermatogenesis and second was the oogenesis and the menstrual cycle, which is the basic and the very important part of the reproductive event of the गैमेटोजेनेसिस. इसके बाद हम बात करने वाले हैं फर्टिलाइजेशन के बारे में. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.